Smoked duck and provolone pizza. This is something new. A paprika dough. Oh my, I think I'm gonna love it. It smells amazing. We're gonna make a layer of barbecue sauce, and I used a smoked whiskey sauce. For the cheese this time I used a provolone and I shredded myself. You can buy it grated if you like, but I like a little bit of work. I also added 1 white onion. I wanted to add a little bit of veggies, so I diced up a yellow bell pepper. As for the smoked duck, you can buy it locally here. It's so delicious, so smoky. We're gonna put a lot on it. Let me know in the comments if you had duck before and if you like it. And more provolone cheese. I also added some oregano to give it a little bit more flavor. Now it's ready to go in the oven for about 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Let's do this. Now would you look at that? Smoked duck and provolone pizza. Delicious. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new, I hope you like it and give it a thumbs up. And as always, see you next time.